Conspiracy Todd here. So you think we landed on the moon? Well, give me 3 minutes and maybe I can change your mind. Let's pull up let's Google Apollo 12 photo journal. The top result, Apollo 12 image library. Go down to AS 1248 7100. And is anybody familiar with Apollo 12? This is the Surveyor 3 spacecraft. They supposedly landed on the moon next to the Surveyor 3 spacecraft and got out, went over here and took some pictures of it and cut off a few things and brought certain things back to Earth. But Surveyor 3 was an unmanned spacecraft that landed on the moon basically to test out the surface of the moon to make sure it was strong enough or solid enough to support the weight of the spacecrafts, Apollo 12 and 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Anyway, so this is the pictures that Apollo 12 took of the Surveyor 3 spacecraft. But Surveyor 3 landed on the moon in 2.5 years before Apollo 12 did, and they sent back over 6,000 pictures. They were able to send it back using these antennas here. And let's take a look at the pictures that they took of the moon and sent back. And NASA was fortunate. I mean, NASA was nice enough to supply all these pictures. Well, not all of them, but about 200 or 300 of them in this report right here, Surveyor 3 mission report from NASA. And let's go down to page 27. And all right, right up here. This is a picture of Surveyor 3, not the actual one they sent to the moon because they wouldn't bring it out to this is like on the California beach or something. They took it to the beach and so the public could see it. Hughes Aircraft built it, and they wouldn't take it out there and get a bunch of sand on it and then bring it back to NASA and launch it to the moon. It would be all contaminated. So anyway, this is a replica of the Surveyor 3 that they showed the public. Notice that it has a silver pole here on top and 2 white poles that are joined together on the bottom. This is going to be important. Now I've scrolled down here to page 54, picture number 13. This is a close-up of one of the footpads, actually footpad number 2 of the Surveyor 3 spacecraft. And as you can see, this pole is white. Now this is taken from the surface of the moon. You can tell that from all these little round dots. Apollo 12 pictures will have crosshairs, but the Surveyor 3 pictures will have these little round dots. Anyway, this is the middle top pole. It's silver to me. It looks silver, and these other 2 poles are white. And every picture that you'll see on here that they show the poles, that will appear to be silver on top. This is another footpad number 3 off to the left of the camera. That pole appears to be silver. The top and the bottom poles are white. Every picture you see on here will have the exact same. There's another one. Silver pole on top, white poles here on the side. Here we have a picture over here on the right is the Surveyor 3 picture that was sent back in April of 1967. Over here on the left is the Apollo 12 picture that was taken in December of 1969, and they brought back the film and processed it. Anyway, why is in all the Surveyor 3 pictures the top pole silver, the 2 side poles are white, but in all of the Apollo 12 pictures, all 3 poles are white? If you can explain that, I think that they faked this. I think the Surveyor 3 pictures are all real. I think they landed an unmanned spacecraft on the moon, and that by itself was an awesome technological advancement, but I don't think they were capable of landing men on the moon. I think these were all faked, and I think this is proof positive that the Apollo 12 pictures are fake. If you have a better explanation, please write it down below, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.